How to remove the headlight unit on a Volkswagen Golf. First thing you need to do is remove the bumper, as the lip of the light sits behind it. So it's held on by 4 T25 Torx screws, so 2 at the top and there's 2 at the bottom. That's the top 2 removed. The bottom 2 removed. Gently pull the unit forward because there's electrics still attached in this corner here. So what we can do is just turn the light unit upside down and we'll be able to see the tab that we need to disconnect right there. So there's the tab right down there. We need to disconnect these electrics here. So push this tab back with a screwdriver and grab it, the electrics by the base, and it should come out like so. With the electrics disconnected, the light unit is now free, and you're done.